This is the Pallure Automatic Brush Cleaner and Sanitizer. It helps remove hair from your brush and sanitizes it, so you're not using a dirty brush over and over again.
Cleaning out any brushes could be one of my least favorite tasks. Hair gets stuck, it takes forever, and honestly, it's kind of gross. Then I found this automatic hairbrush cleaner, and it completely changed my routine.
First, place the brush into your cleaner, make sure it's secure, then press the button and let the machine do the work. Watch how it removes the hair in seconds. No more digging through the bristles with your fingers or cutting your hair out by hand.
This automatic hairbrush cleaner is a time saver. Just place your brush in, let it do its thing, and in seconds it removes the hair for you. It even has a built-in sanitizing spray system to help keep brushes cleaner in between clients. It works with paddle brushes, brown brushes, and salon brushes, and can clean multiple brushes at once. Look at the difference, no digging out hair with your fingers, no wasting time between appointments, and it cleans the brushes in just seconds.
Once it's done, open the cleaner, remove the hair from the inside. This part is so satisfying, by the way.
I didn't realize how much time I was wasting until I got this. Look at the difference, no digging out hair with your fingers, no wasting time between appointments, and it cleans the brushes in just seconds. Not only do you get the automatic hairbrush cleaner itself, but it also comes with 2 different cleaning brushes to help remove buildup and keep your brushes looking their best.
Honestly, this is such a good TikTok shop find. Clean brush, less mess, and way easier than doing it by hand. You can shop the Pallure Automatic Brush Cleaner and Sanitizer on TikTok Shop.